Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hope you have been doing great. Welcome back to this YouTube channel and thank you so much for clicking this video. Dear viewers, in the last video I told you that which subject helping verb we have to use with this subject, and today in this video I'm gonna let you know how to make sentences. In this video I'm gonna let you know how to speak English very easily. So without wasting our time, let us see how to make sentences. But I hope you have watched last video. If you didn't watch, please go and watch that video and develop your fluency and develop your knowledge about how to speak English very easily. So today now we are going to see how to make sentences. I have written down here one subject I, first person singular, and object verb speak, and the object is English. Now we are going to make sentences. I speak English. मैं English बोलता हूँ. Remember one thing, that in positive sentence we do not use any helping verb. Positive sentence जो होता है उसमें हम helping verb का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं, but in negative sentence we use helping verb. Now let's see that which helping verb we use with subject first person singular. I speak English. मैं English बोलता हूँ. I do not speak English. मैं English नहीं बोलता हूँ. मैं English नहीं बोलता हूँ. I do not speak English. This is a negative sentence. Negative sentence. In negative sentence we use helping verb. तो I के साथ जो helping verb इस्तेमाल होता है वो do इस्तेमाल होता है. I do not speak English. तो क्या मैं English बोलता हूँ? Do I speak English? Do I speak English? ये है positive question. Positive question. Do I speak English? क्या मैं English बोलता हूँ? क्या मैं English नहीं बोलता हूँ? Do I not speak English? ये हो गया negative question. Negative question. क्या मैं English नहीं बोलता हूँ? मैं English क्यों बोलता हूँ? Why do I speak English? ये हो गया positive question with question word. Positive question with question word. मैं English क्यों बोलता हूँ? Why do I speak English? और मैं English क्यों नहीं बोलता हूँ? Why do I not speak English? मैं English क्यों नहीं बोलता हूँ? A negative question with question word. These are the 6 structures of first subject, first person singular. These are the 6 structures of first person singular present simple. ये जो 6 structures हैं, ये आपको समझ आया होगा कि helping verb I के साथ हम present simple में कौन सा helping verb इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो I hope that you understood. Now we are going to take another subject, the first person plural, that is we. Now dear viewers, the second subject is we, first person plural, that is we, and the verb is eat and object is food. Now we are going to make sentences. Let us see how to make sentences. हम खाना खाते हैं. We eat food. हम खाना खाते हैं. As I already told you that in past sentence we do not use any helping verb. हम खाना खाते हैं. We eat food. हम खाना नहीं खाते हैं. We do not eat food. हम खाना नहीं खाते हैं. क्या हम खाना खाते हैं? Do we eat food? क्या हम खाना नहीं खाते हैं? Do we not eat food? हम कहाँ खाना खाते हैं? Where do we eat food? हम खाना कहाँ नहीं खाते हैं? Where do we not eat food? Dear students, this English is nothing. It is all about English. कि मैं खाना खाता हूँ, मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, मैं लिखता हूँ, हम जाते हैं, हम लिखते हैं, हम पढ़ते हैं, हम इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, हम स्कूल जाते हैं, हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, वॉलीबॉल खेलते हैं. This is all about English. This is not nothing. But the important thing is here, most of the students is that what problem they are facing, that they are not able to identify the subject and the helping verb. So that you must watch this video till end, and I promise definitely you will learn easily how to speak this English very well. So that we are going to take the another subject, the second person singular, by which we are going to make another. So the another subject is you, second person singular you, and the verb is play and object is cricket. आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो, you play cricket. आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो, आप क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते हो, you do not play cricket. क्या आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो, do you play cricket? क्या आप एक क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते हो, do you not play cricket? आप कब क्रिकेट खेलते हो, when do you play cricket? आप क्रिकेट कब नहीं खेलते हो, when do you not play cricket? तो ये था सेकंड पर्सन सिंगुलर। तो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर जब है उसके लिए भी हम यू का इस्तेमाल करते हैं विद थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर। सेकंड पर्सन प्लूरल जो है उसके लिए भी हम यू का इस्तेमाल ही करते हैं। यू प्ले क्रिकेट, आप खेलते हो, आप नहीं खेलते हो, आप जाते हो, आप नहीं जाते हो, क्या आप जाते हो, आप कहां जाते हो, आप कैसे जाते हो। तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन सिंगुलर एंड सेकंड पर्सन plural. And the next subject is that is third person singular. This is most important. Yes, dear viewers, now the subject is third person singular. As I told you that third person singular is very important, that you have to listen, that you have to understand third person singular, that which helping verb we have to use with third person singular. Here I have taken one subject, that is one pronoun he. As you know that he, she, it, these are third person singulars. And one of my brother, one of my sister, one of my teacher, one of my parents, okay. तो ये जो है third person singular है. तो now see how to make sentences. He teaches English. वो इंग्लिश पढ़ाता है। ये he जो है, he के साथ यहाँ हम SES फॉर्म वर्ब की इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जिसको वर्ब की फिफ्थ फॉर्म कहते हैं। S-N-E-S. These are the fifth form of verb. ये जो वर्ब की फिफ्थ फॉर्म है ये हम थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इसलिए हमने इस्तेमाल यहाँ किया he teaches English. वो इंग्लिश पढ़ाता है। Now see, क्या वो इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ाता है, वो इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ाता है। He does not teach English. No, the subject does we have to use with थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर। ही डज नॉट टीच इंग्लिश, वो इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ाता है। जैसे फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर, फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल एंड सेकंड पर्सन सिंगुलर, सेकंड पर्सन प्लूरल के साथ हमने डू इस्तेमाल किया, तो थर्ड पर्सन के साथ डज का इस्तेमाल होता है। दिस इज द पॉइंट दैट आई वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड। नाउ क्या वो इंग्लिश पढ़ाता है, डज ही टीच इंग्लिश, क्या वो इंग्लिश पढ़ाता है, क्या वो इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ाता है, डज ही नॉट टीच इंग्लिश, क्या वो इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ाता है। हाउ डज ही टीच इंग्लिश, वो कैसे इंग्लिश पढ़ाता है। व्हाई डज ही नॉट टीच इंग्लिश, वो इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं पढ़ाता है। लाइक दिस you can use, she can use, she teaches English. Yes, she teaches English. She does not teach English. Does she teach English, does she not teach English? Okay, why does she teach English, why does she not teach English. Like this you can make a lot of sentences by using these helping verbs and subjects. Now the last subject, that is third person plural, that is they. Now let us see to how to make sentences by using they, and this is third person plural they, third person plural they, and the verb is know, object is me. वो मुझे जानते हैं, they know me, they know me. वो मुझे नहीं जानते हैं, they do not know me. वो मुझे नहीं जानते, क्या वो मुझे जानते हैं, do they know me. क्या वो मुझे नहीं जानते हैं, do they not know me. वो मुझे कैसे जानते हैं, how do they know me. और वो मुझे कैसे नहीं जानते हैं, how do they not know me. Dear viewers, this was all about the present simple, that which subject, which helping verb we have to use with which subject. I hope you understood this video. I hope you understood this concept, and keep watching this video and learn English very easily, and do practice, keep practicing, and in the next video I will answer, so that I will help you that how to speak this English very easily. Keep watching this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till time, bye bye, take care, assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.